Hi, I'm Donnie Buchanan from entrycounts.com, the place where we make it all count. In this video, we're going to have a look at one of the Xero reporting enhancements that was made in November 2025. Okay, so if you just go to the blog and bring up this blog here, if we move down just past point 1 to point 2, what we've got here is streamlined specialized data entry. In a nutshell, what we're going to look at here is what happens when you copy from Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets and paste it into Xero. So historically, it's come out in a certain format up until now. So there's a new format. This video is going to show you what comes across when you perform that function of copying from Excel or Google Sheets into Xero. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to run a set of financials for a trust. That's a primary production trust, and what we want is the livestock reporting. So I'm going to go to reporting or reports, into the advisor section, and just down the bottom we've got trust primary production. So this trust has sales of livestock, being beef, pigs and sheep, but as per usual we want to show the quantities. So if I just go to the report list here, option 1 is use the manual livestock schedule, where you would actually type in the data that you need, which is a process that can be automated through some different types of automations, or you can just type it in. The second option is to go to this one here, this livestock schedule, and what we've got in this livestock schedule is a text block. Now in this text block, you've historically been able to paste Microsoft Excel data in there. Here's what it looks like with the new release. So what we have is we have this livestock schedule report here in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. What you can see is some of the data has got is bold and some is not. Also you can see some of it's got a grey background down the bottom. Okay, and some of it's new, some of it's got currency and some of it's just a standard number. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to highlight all that and hit copy, and back to the report here, and all we're going to do is hit paste. Okay, does look a little bit wonky, but I can tell you now once we hit publish that it does not look like that. So let's hit publish. Okay, and here's what it looks like. Go down the page here. It's our trading statements. So that was the livestock schedule that we could have used. We could have just typed in the numbers, and it's in the similar format to the rest of the report. Now the second option here, you can see how it's coming from Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. You can see all the different, you've got the bold, you've got the grey background, you've got the currency, and you've got the and the numbers as well. So that it's kept the formats. What it hasn't brought in though is formulas, so it hasn't brought that in. All we've really done is paste data. Okay, the difference is the format isn't really a match to the rest of the Xero report, so just keep that in mind. If we just go back to this blog here, essentially what we're able to do is just keep a little bit more formatting when we paste Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. That's really it. So look, it's a slight improvement. It's not amazing, but it's still something. Okay, so hopefully this video was helpful. Anything you need, Donnie at entrycounts.com. We'll jump on the website, entrycounts.com, and hopefully we can help. Have a great day.